Save time and pack wrinkle-free with the easy-to-use Alltimate Luggage. Each set comes with a duffel, a garment bag, a day pack, and a shoulder strap. Starting with your garment bag, lay the bag out flat. Unstrap the velcro on both ends, unzip both sides of the bag, and unroll the top piece of fabric. The extension pocket is perfect for longer items or any folded outerwear. Place your pressed suit down on the center of the garment bag. Straighten the coattails and cross the sleeves over the middle of the jacket. Next, put your dress and casual shirts on top of the jacket and repeat the previous steps. Make sure that the top button is buttoned. Take all your hangers and slide them underneath the opening at the top of the garment bag. Strap the velcro. Fold the top piece of the fabric back over your garments and zip up both sides of your garment bag. Velcro the extension pocket down and place any accessories in this top zipper. The next item to grab is your spacious duffel bag. Pack this as you normally would with your essentials, using the see-through mesh pockets for socks, undergarments, and more. Shoes and any other remaining items go in the day pack. Connecting the garment bag to the duffel is easy as 1, 2, 3. Connect these with one fastener in the middle of the duffel. And 2 on each end of the garment bag. Roll the bag and secure the bottom with a Velcro anchor security strap. Connect the shoulder strap to be worn on either shoulder or crossbody. Load up the organizer pockets with your wallet, passport, headphones, and keys. Your bag is now packed.